everyone, welcome to this lesson on communication in organization, special from a industrial psycholog perspective. Communication is not just about conveying messages, it is the crucial process that helps the organization run effectively and human resources. Let's explore the complex people, process, objectively, and strategy for informing communication with organization. Organization communication is the process of sending and relevant messages between members of the organization. In industrial psychology, communication plays the role in the influencing what behavior, interaction, motivation, and many interpersonal relationships in the workplace. Communication has the broad line of the crucial function is the organization, particularly from the industrial psychology perspective, with emphasis is the impact of the motivation and performance. Here returns expression, information function. Communication covers action data, structure, and knowledge so that and members understand their responsibility. For example, management announce sales target toward meeting, education the team in the organization vision. With this, employer loss relation and productivity distribution. Supervisor function. Third, the chain of the communication monitor, performs and the average communication with police, employer response what process to supervisor, and ability average development of the problem and writing comprehension, thus many organizations stability. Motivation function. Communication building more and thus the present positive feedback or recording of the organization in the industrial psychology. This is impression employee engagement, reducing turnover, and increasing personal integrity and the season of appreciation. Emotional experience function. Allow employee to the visual and the feeling cooperation or arbitration, preventing the accumulation of the stress. This crucial and healthy physical employment, regulation-related conflict, and strengthen social bond. Integration function. Big members from fashion department together towards conditionalization, forthing access for together and the shared understanding for organization goals. This is vital for adaptation for to change and the team collaboration. Decision-making function. Provides communication data for relation decreation, serves as strategy discussion in the extraordinary management. 2. Communication equation differs, perspective, and coefficient information design quality. Diffusion and the integration forming in the information network that support the organization of legal goals. Organization communication, this is into the criteria. 1. Internal communication. Communication that occurs between members with an organization with the aim of the strengthening relationship and coordinating. Type of internal communication can include formal communication, also abbreviation to promising this of official change or and the meeting, memos, email, and response in category the following forms. Vertical communication. The flow of the message for suppression to Sumber's data, for of the Sumber dating on the to cooperation. Horizontal communication. The explain of the information between communication of the between departments. Informal communication are the support and the resources the casual communication between employees. This communication builds familiarity and strengthens social bonds and the company culture. 2. External communication. Communication that organization communicates with external parties and the customer, supplier, and business partner. As not the first of the relation, internal communication is the more impressive for business image and sorts. Forms of communication, verbal and non-verbal. Verbal communication. Using words and spoken on the well done. Example includes presentation, meeting, telephone call, email, and written document. Verbal communication must be clear and succinct so that the message in the action understood. Non-verbal communication, symbolization, facial expression, gesture, and vocal impression of the reflection or the event change the meaning of the verbal mission. Psychological students show that non-verbal communication covers emotion and adaptability more thoughtful and subtly than word. The communication process involves several strategies. 1. Standard complex and accurate the message to be compressed into words, stable or image. 2. Media of channel. The communication channel is with a big face-to-face, email, telephone, or a digital platform. 3. Receiver. Receiver and impression the message accounting to recent understanding. 4. Feedback. The response of the present education with the message has been relevant and understanding correct. This is process, interrogation, short notes, misinterpretation. The technical problems can hinder communication. Barriers that occurs in the organization communication includes physical barriers, noise, word performance, distance between word understanding in the aviation technology, psychological barrier, stress, productive mission, and negative vision employees the perfect employer for communication informal, harmlessly, and openly. Language barriers, difference in terminology, technical jargon, of present language, and the further mission the present. Structural barriers, overlap between organization structure and communication channels that are too long to of the formal, making the slow and ineffectively. Organization communication theory and models. In the individual and organization psychology, understanding communication theory and model is crucial for understanding how communication works within the organization and how it can be improved to be more effectively. Here are some of the main organization communication theory and model that are frequently studied and applied. 1. Crucial structure theory. This is theory developed in the 19th equation in the after-reason of the machine theory. Organization are with fluid and the present machine consisting of the parts, the motion functional mechanism and pricing, communication in formal regulation with a neat and clear structure for implementation of a standard communication of commands, short and firm, stability, subordinating, and the reverse back. This theory implementation for machine condition, power, mutual server, dexter, and depleting the weakness of the theory is lack of the athletic, the psychological and social needs of employee which can make communication monotone and dehumanizing. 2. Nichols or human resiliency theory. This is theory implementation and increase and development of the classic theory, the photosynthetic to the human aspect of the organization, view employer not merely and the technical implementation, but as individual with social and psychological needs. Communication is not merely the transfer of the information, but also a means of the building interpersonal relationship, motivation, and job satisfaction. Open two-way communication between support and supported here in e-commerce to increase employee with value and enjoyment in the organization. 3. Vision theory. Vision in international theory is the big organization. There are the relational process between individual and the organization. Organization fluctuate, individual there's roles and culture, with individual also infusion and the organization to the behavior and attitudes. Communication is a crucial medium of the maintaining the balance and integration allow both parties of the parts and cooperator. For the leading pin model, the lead king pin model. This model, developed by Rennie Lakers, development and organization as the network of the operating groups, relation individual as the comcars, simulation belongs to the diverse group, the context as the communication between group, education the smart for the information and coordination as sufficient level of the organization. This model emphasizes the implementation of the individual roles in the building communication back between groups. Additionally, communication models serve as the summary where a model here explains the communication process for strategy to encourage transmission, discussion, and feedback and noise. To create efficiently communication with an organization, the following strategy can be implemented. Stability structure communication channels. Formal channels such as regulation meeting, members, and digital performance be education of the vision optimally. Development and open and the transparent culture. E-commerce two-way communication with employer feel safe, efficient, edit, and communication. Communication training for leading of the employees. Skill in developing management crisis and actively listening are the crucial. A simple and easy to understanding language. A few technical journals that are clearly do mission stability. Utilize model communication technology, email, online collaboration, video conferencing, and these applications can improve the step and the quality of the communication. Profit regulation feedback. Feedback help increase the reason and profit opportunity for the improvement. Industrial psychology view communication not only as the typical process but also as a psychological internalization that an influence work behavior and productivity, motivation and job satisfaction, conflict management and group dynamic, adaptation to organization charts. By understanding individual changes, personality, and communication style, industrial psychology support communication design that are tailored to the psychological needs of the organization members and the condition of the organization itself. This consolidation of the comprehensive discussion of communication in organization from an individualistic psychological perspective. Overall, communication is not simple a means of the complex information, but tells for the massive functioning that influence work behavior, employee motivation, and overall organization structures. From its basic definition to its efficient source and information, substitution, motivation, employee expression, integration, and discussion making, communication for a dynamic network that connects individuals to a common goal. The type of communication, formal and informal, verbal and non-verbal, and this is process involving coding, media, decoding, and feedback are the susceptibility to physical, psychological, linguistic, and structure bearing and must be overcome. Theory store and the spatial structuralization, classification, fusion, and the Lexware and how where models, supply and the comprehensive performance work are for understanding the theory development, the evaluation for the magazine approach to a more human research on with individual psychological training and role in the analyzing practical impact, sort and the job satisfaction, conflict management, and productivity. Improve strategies on the open channels, articulation training, simple language, model technology, and regulation feedback are present key to creating human resource of the environmental. Ultimately, efficiently communication with target between the present education and organization performs self-teamwork, education turnover, adaptation to channel, and education psychological improvement of the mutual trust and respect. For communication leader to listen a conflict, mission selection, and organization failure, with good communication open up the operation for the information and sustainability source. Therefore, apply is the now in the workplace for daily communication to organization policy, communication, how you communication skill, behavior in the model individual era, communication this the creation information for productivity answer will be. Okay, thank you for watching this listening video and see you next time. Bye bye.